Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Kia Forte. As we look ahead to 2025, the 2024 Kia Forte has emerged as the best small car for the year, thanks to its impressive combination of performance, technology, and value. This compact sedan continues to build on Kia's reputation for delivering well-rounded vehicles that cater to a wide range of drivers' needs. Dynamic performance and efficiency. The 2024 Kia Forte offers a choice of powertrains designed to meet diverse driving preferences. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that ensures smooth and efficient acceleration. For those seeking a sportier driving experience, the Forte GT model features a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 201 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing a more engaging driving experience. The Forte's handling is characterized by its nimble and responsive nature. Its well-tuned suspension and precise steering make it an excellent choice for both city driving and highway cruising. Additionally, the Forte's impressive fuel efficiency, with an estimated 33 miles per gallon combined for the base engine, contributes to its appeal as a cost-effective choice for daily commutes. Modern design and comfort. The 2024 Forte features a contemporary design that combines style with functionality. Its exterior boasts a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that enhances its aerodynamic profile. The rear is highlighted by stylish taillights and a sporty diffuser, giving the Forte a modern and dynamic look. Inside, the Forte offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. The standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims offer additional features such as a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen, dual-zone climate control, and premium upholstery, enhancing the overall driving experience. Advanced safety features. The 2024 Kia Forte is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. These technologies work together to provide a safer driving experience and enhance driver confidence. Available options such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert further enhance the Forte's safety capabilities. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Kia Forte has been well received for its blend of performance, style, and advanced features. Its competitive pricing and high-value offerings make it a top choice for drivers seeking a practical and stylish compact car. Available at Kia dealerships nationwide, the Forte continues to attract those looking for a well-rounded vehicle that delivers exceptional value. Conclusion. The 2024 Kia Forte stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a compelling mix of performance, modern design, and advanced technology. With its dynamic driving experience, sleek styling, and comprehensive safety features, the Forte delivers a satisfying driving experience that meets the needs of today's consumers.